everyone! If you're studying HSK1 with Culture Yard, or if you speak Chinese but don't know characters, or if you're just browsing and want to know what Chinese characters are all about, these are the videos for you. My name is Eden from Culture Yard, a Beijing-based Chinese language school that offers live, online HSK prep and other Chinese classes. In this video, we will introduce the basics of Chinese characters. If you enjoy this video, please be sure to leave us a like, subscribe, and write us a comment. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. In this course, we will learn about what Chinese characters are, the evolution of Chinese characters, the categories of Chinese characters, stroke and stroke order, and radicals. Today's video will answer the question, what are Chinese characters? Chinese is one of the oldest writing systems in the world still in use today. It's logographic, which means it uses characters instead of an alphabet. In Chinese, the characters are called Hanzi, or Chinese characters. Hanzi have been adapted to write several other Asian languages as well. Today, there are two standard systems for writing Chinese characters, traditional and simplified. Traditional characters evolved over millennia from the clerical script in the Han Dynasty. We'll learn more about what the clerical script is in a future video. Simplified characters were developed in the 1950s to boost literacy rates. Nowadays, traditional characters are used in Taiwan, Hong Kong, and Macau, and simplified characters are used in mainland China as well as Malaysia and Singapore in official publications. Each character corresponds to one syllable, which is also a morpheme. And in modern Chinese, most words consist of two or more characters. Chinese has over 50,000 characters, and one dictionary even lists more than 100,000. Most modern dictionaries, though, list around 20,000 characters, and an educated native speaker will know about 8,000. But don't worry, you only need 2,000 to 3,000 characters to be able to read a newspaper. Pinyin, or the most common romanization system for Mandarin Chinese, has 39 vowels and diphthongs and 21 consonants. When all existing combinations are accounted for, this gives us 412 syllables in Mandarin Chinese. This means that Mandarin Chinese has a lot of homophones, or words that are pronounced the same. Remember those thousands of Chinese characters we were just talking about? Depending on the meaning, the same syllable can be represented by a different Chinese character. Conversely, one Chinese character can have multiple meanings, sometimes very different and sometimes pronounced differently. Now, if that sounds like a lot, don't worry. In the following videos, we will go into detail about the history of Chinese characters, their structure, and how to write them. Once you're familiar with these things, Chinese characters become less intimidating and more approachable. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave us a like, subscribe, and we'd love to know what you think, so also write us a comment. If you're interested in studying Chinese live online, you can visit our website, which is on the screen and linked in the description down below. See you next time. 下次见.